Hi guys, my name is Olivia and today I am going to tell you all the information you need to know about the smoothie diet and actually buy this program. I have some very important warnings, so pay close attention to this video and stay until the end, okay? The first warning I have to say is that you need to be very careful with the site that you are going to buy this program because the smoothie diet is only sold on the official site, so avoid buying on any other site to avoid falling for frauds. To help you, I left the official site link here below in the description of this video, so after this video you can access it safely. After all, what is the smoothie diet? Does it really work? The answer is yes. The Smoothie Diet is a digital program made for people who want to lose weight quickly and effectively in just 3 weeks. It was created by a health professional who gathered his knowledge to put together a personalized schedule for losing weight with smoothies. In this program, you will learn how to replace solid meals with natural and nutritious smoothies, which will help you reduce weight and eliminate excess fat from your body. In addition, the smoothie diet also has great benefits for your overall health, because you will learn how to make functional recipes to detoxify your body, and you will also improve your eating habits. By purchasing the smoothie diet, you get instant access to all the recipes for smoothies to replace meals. You will have access to shopping lists to make your eating even easier, access to the program bonuses, and you will also receive several tips to ensure that you succeed with this diet. So yes, you can trust the smoothie diet. Thousands of people are having great results and losing lots of fat in just 3 weeks of dieting, and you can get those results too. But another warning I have to tell you is that for you to really lose weight, you need to follow the complete program. There is no point in eating high-calorie food during the period you are on the diet, because this will hinder your results. Another important thing you need to know is that when you buy the Smoothie Diet 21-day program, you are covered by a 60-day satisfaction guarantee. So you can actually test the program to see the results, and if for any reason you are not satisfied or find that it's not working, you can ask for your money back without any risk. So, I decided to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the site where you will buy the smoothie diet, so make sure you are buying from the official site not to fall for any fraud. To make it easier for you, I left in the description of this video the link to the official site. And second, to clear all your doubts about this diet program, so remember to follow the complete program to get the best results. Well, I hope I helped you with this video, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment below.